Chia seeds water versus lemon water. You've been drinking lemon water every morning, thinking it's helping your digestion and detox, right? But what if I told you it might be doing nothing at all, and there's a tiny seed that works way better? Let's settle this once and for all. Chia seed water versus lemon water. Who wins your morning? Both are wildly popular. One is known for its refreshing detox vibe. The other is packed with fiber and omega-3s. But if you had to pick just one to start your day with, which one actually gives your body a head start? Let's break it all down. Benefits, timing, how they work, and which one works better depending on your health goal. Here's the problem. Most people just follow trends. They hear lemon water is great for cleansing, or that chia seeds help with fat loss, and boom, they add it to their routine without thinking about why it's working, or if it's even right for them. The truth is, both drinks offer powerful benefits, but they're not equal. And more importantly, they're not for everyone. Like Sarah, she drank lemon water daily and still felt sluggish by mid-morning. Switched to chia water? She didn't even think about snacks till lunch. If you're trying to lose weight, fix digestion, or boost energy in the morning, choosing the wrong one could be slowing you down. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which morning drink is right for your body, and how to use it the right way. Lemon water in the morning. Why everyone talks about it. Let's start with lemon water. It's simple. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water. That's it. But the impact? It's more than you might think. Lemon water is hydrating, alkalizing, and supports liver detoxification first thing in the morning, especially if you drink it on an empty stomach. The citric acid in lemon can stimulate stomach acid production, which helps kickstart digestion. That means less bloating and better absorption of nutrients throughout the day. And because lemons are rich in vitamin C, your immune system gets a boost too. Now here's where it gets interesting. A 2015 study showed that lemon polyphenols actually reduced body weight gain and fat accumulation in mice fed a high-fat diet. While human results vary, it does suggest lemon compounds might help regulate fat metabolism. But let's be honest, lemon water isn't a magic fat burner. What it does is set up your system to run smoother. Chia seed water, the quiet powerhouse. Now let's talk about the underdog, chia seed water. It's made by soaking 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a cup of water for about 15 to 30 minutes until it turns gel-like. When you drink it, something fascinating happens inside your gut. The gel forms a slow digesting fiber matrix in your stomach, making you feel full for hours. This means fewer cravings and more balanced blood sugar levels, something lemon water simply doesn't offer. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains 5 grams of fiber, 3 grams of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. In one study published in Appetite, participants who consumed chia before meals had significantly reduced appetite compared to those who didn't. That's huge if you're trying to drop a few pounds or avoid sugar crashes. And unlike lemon water, chia water doesn't just hydrate, it feeds your body. So, which one's better in the morning? Let's break it down by goal. If your goal is detox, digestion, or better skin, lemon water wins. It gets your digestion going, supports your liver, and hydrates you fast. Plus, that vitamin C helps with collagen production. But if your goal is weight loss, appetite control, or blood sugar balance, chia seed water takes the crown. It gives you satiety, stable energy, and real nutrients that carry you until lunch. Still can't choose? Here's a tip. You don't have to. You can combine both in one powerful drink. The ultimate morning drink, lemon chia detox water. Here's how to make the best of both worlds. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, juice of half a lemon, 1 cup of warm or room temperature water. Optional: pinch of sea salt or raw honey. Let the chia soak for 15 minutes, then mix in the lemon and sip it slow. Your gut will thank you. This drink hydrates, detoxifies, fills you up, and balances your blood sugar, all in one go. Want to level it up even more? Add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt for electrolytes, or a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to support gut health. A quick warning: before you chug chia. Now listen carefully. Chia seeds must be soaked before drinking. Dry chia can absorb up to 10 times its weight in liquid, and if you eat it dry, it can swell in your throat or stomach, causing discomfort or even choking. And if you've got low blood pressure or are on blood thinners, talk to your doctor first. Chia seeds can thin the blood slightly because of their omega-3s. Health isn't about doing what's trending. It's about doing what's right for your body. What should you choose? Here's the bottom line. If you're short on time and want a quick boost to digestion and hydration, lemon water is your go-to. If you want to stay full, control cravings, and fuel your body with fiber and omega-3s, chia seed water is the better choice. And if you're serious about morning wellness, combine both. Start your day with a drink that covers hydration, detox, digestion, and energy, all in one. If this helped you figure out your morning drink, hit that like button. It helps the video reach more people. And if you want more down-to-earth, no BS wellness tips like this, subscribe right now and turn on the bell. You don't need trends. You need real info for real results.